This is the KayScience student app, available on Android and iPhone, and also on any tablets. This is the students' homepage whenever they go onto the app, and they are always logged in. They don't have to log in each time. If they click this button here, the I, this shows them a message from the teacher who has set the homework. This button here is a download button for any resource that the teacher has uploaded for the homework. The student will then press the task. This will then take them to the video and the quiz. They can then watch the video in the app, and they can do all the questions in the app as well. So they don't just have to use the browser on the internet, they can also use the app to watch the videos and do the quizzes. The student can also use the app to do any work that hasn't been set by the teacher. So they've got the entire library of all of our videos and quizzes. So if they're stuck on synapses, they can go and watch the video on synapses and then do the quiz. And these numbers here represent the percentage that they got on the last time they attempted the quiz. Every video and quiz is available on the app that is available on the browser. So that's over 800 quizzes and videos. The students can also do revision, so they can select any number of topics to answer questions on, and they can answer those questions in the app. Students can also do their formula practice in the app as well, just like on the browser. Any question answered on the app is recorded on the teacher dashboard, and any video watch is also recorded, so you know exactly how many minutes your kids are watching and how many questions they're answering, all on the KayScience app.